A very warm salutation to everyone present here. Today, in this video, we are going to see the beauty of the Kashmir. Kashmir is the northernmost geographical region of the Indian subcontinent. The term Kashmir denoted only the Kashmir Valley between the Great Himalayas and the Pir Panjal range. The Kashmir region became an important center of Hinduism and later of Buddhism. Later still in the 9th century, Kashmir Shaivism arose. Now moving to their culture. The dominating religion in Jammu and Kashmir is Islam. It is the Kashmir Muslim who has the love for dressing up a more traditional way with better authenticity and class. You can find them often wearing Peran. This Jammu and Kashmir traditional dresses is a loose shirt that can hang down below the knees. There is a white turban that is also tied in the shallow cap. You can also see a loose trouser which is of loose fitting. That too with shoes that don't have lace, which is called gargabi. Before we move on to understanding the traditional dresses, along with Peran, it is the traditional Kashmir wool product which is quite popular. It also includes Kashmir shawls which are popular and are known for the elegance and rich embroidery that is designed on it.
Kashmir is heaven not only in terms of landscapes but for foodies too. Everyone should not only visit Kashmir but also try Kashmir food once in their lifetime. Kashmir cuisine is varied and flavorsome. Not only will you find the influence of Mughals and Arabs in the dishes, but many of the dishes have a signature of Kashmiri Pandits on them. If you are a meat lover, you have a more advantage than vegetarians because Kashmiris know 30 different ways to make mutton. Though this does not mean Kashmir food has nothing to offer to vegetarians. Popular food of Kashmir are Rogan Josh, Modar Pulao, Yakni Lamb Curry, Shabdeg, Aab Gosh, Kashmiri Mujigaad, Kashmiri Rajma Tukpa, Dam Ulao, Gosh Taba, Kahwa, Kashmiri Baingan.
Today I will tell about agriculture in Jammu and Kashmir.
What is agriculture? The practice of cultivating the soil in order to produce crops and domestication of animals and pastoral farming are known as agriculture. Jammu and Kashmir is essentially a mountain state in which only about 30% of the reporting area is under cultivation. Rice, maize, wheat, pulses, fodder, oilseeds, potato and barley are the main crops of the state. Kashmir saffron is also very famous and brings the state a handsome amount of foreign exchange. Exports include apples, barley, cherries, corn, millet, orange, rice, peaches, pears, saffron, vegetables and wheat. While manufactured export include handicrafts, rugs, crafts, carpets and shelves.
Walnut wood carving is an ornamental and delicate craft process that is unique to Kashmir due to the concentration of walnut trees in this region. Carved walnut woodwork is among the most important craft of Kashmir. Kashmir is now one of the few places in the world where walnut is still available at one altitude of 5,500 to 7,500 feet above sea level. The wood is hard and durable. Its close grain and even text facilitating fine and detailed work. It also presents visually interesting effects and merry plain polished surface. The Kashmir craftsman rejoices in carving intricate and varied designs. A variety of curved products bear recurrent motifs of the rose, lotus, iris, buncher of grapes, pears, and chinnar leaves. Dragon motifs and pattern taken from Kani and embroidered shawls all find their places in wooden objects with deep relief carving. The origins of hand-knotted carpets, locally known as kalbafi, dates back to 15th century, after which it progressively attained the high degree of perfection. It is said that Sultan Zain al-Abidin brought carpet weavers from Persia and Central Asia into Kashmir to train local inhabitants.
Leh is one of the best and safe places to visit in Kashmir in summers. The lofty mountains, the alpine lakes, and the quaint settings enable Leh one of the best places to visit. This place is every biker's dreamland. Clad is the beauty and love of nature. Leh offers breathtaking views, leaving no visitors disappointed. You must explore all the top places to visit in Leh when traveling to Kashmir. Best time Leh. Leh is one of the best and safe places to visit in Kashmir in summers. The lofty mountains, the alpine lakes, and the quaint settings enable Leh one of the best places to visit. This place is every biker's dreamland. Clad is the beauty and love of nature. Leh offers breathtaking views, leaving no visitors disappointed. You must explore all the top places to visit in Leh when traveling to Kashmir. Best time to visit Sonamarg, as the name suggests, is famous as the Meadow of Gold. An endless stream of stunning flowers and undulated trekking routes are its attraction. Sonamarg has to be in every visitor's list of places to visit in Kashmir for its mesmerizing aura and breathtaking views. The best season to Gulmarg, famously known as the Meadow of Flowers. Gulmarg is a threat to the eyes, which is spread of vibrant flowers against snow-capped mountains as background. Gulmarg is considered to be one of the best places to visit in Kashmir for all right reasons. Srinagar is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful and famous places to visit in Kashmir as well as in India. From boating to trekking, bird watching to water skiing, Srinagar place has it all. Locally, this place is known as the mirror to the mountains. Srinagar is the first stopover for every traveler, and there are long list of places to visit in Srinagar. The
Pulwama, all about natural springs and apple orchards. Famously named as the rice bowl of Kashmir, this quaint village in Jammu and Kashmir is a great place to witness the nature's real beauty of the state. Kargil, a witness of many wars. Kargil is a small town in the Kargil district of Ladakh region, which brings shivers down the spine of the Indian citizen.